To connect the MPC-100 via Bluetooth to your mobile device, begin by pressing the power button for at least 2 seconds to turn on the unit. Once active, the power LED will appear. Next, press and hold the lambda button for more than 2 seconds to enable Bluetooth functionality. The Bluetooth LED will appear to confirm that Bluetooth is now enabled. Next, download the MPC-100 application by going to the App Store and entering EXFO in the search bar. One of the first results should be the EXFO Power Checker application. Tap on the Install button to download and install the app. Once installed, open the Power Checker app and select Scan. The MPC-100 should now appear on your screen. Simply select the MPC-100 to finalize the Bluetooth connection process.